Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 3rd, our word of the day is aplomb. A-P-L-O-M-B. Aplomb. Aplomb is a 6-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Aplomb means confidence and style. In other words, complete and confident composure or self-assurance. Aplomb is the ultimate test for cool grace under pressure. Use aplomb to show great restraint under even the most trying circumstances. In retail, it's always a good idea to handle angry customers with aplomb. Similar words include equanimity, nonchalance, tact, balance, confidence, coolness, nerve, poise, self-possession, surety. Examples of sentences using aplomb are: the defense attorney smiled with an air of aplomb, knowing that his client's acquittal was all but assured. She played several roles with equal aplomb. Rosalind conducted the meeting with her usual aplomb. You've handled a difficult situation with perfect aplomb. She sang several songs, handling herself with the aplomb of a professional entertainer. He showed great aplomb in dealing with the reporters. Make sure to save this new word, aplomb, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.